Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Today we're gonna make ice cream without condensed milk and machine. 4 egg whites, 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup whipping cream, 2 teaspoon cocoa powder, 2 drops chocolate essence, 1/4 cup chocolate chips. Beat the egg whites until it thickens. This will take up to 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the sugar and mix. Beat the whipping cream until it becomes fluffy. This will take up to 4 to 5 minutes. The egg mixture to the whipped cream and mix until just combined. Add the cocoa powder and chocolate essence and mix. Pour the mixture into the bowl and add the chocolate chips and mix. Keep this in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours. Now your ice cream is ready to serve. Enjoy!